You think that EA, Ubisoft, Blizzard, Activision were what before? They had like great games. Like I know I love Mirror's Edge, but you have XXX. You had a lot of good games. Ubisoft was great at creating immersive gameplay with the Splinter Cell series and everything else. Blizzard, I didn't know it because I didn't play World of Warcraft. No, I did play Warcraft 2, 2 or 3, but I didn't play World of Warcraft. And Activision, no one can say the old Call of Duty didn't slap, or the old Medal of Honor weren't shit, or Bad Company. Oh my god, those were great games. Those were great games. Seriously.